Welcome to our channel, where you'll learn the simple steps to regain access to your BMO Harris Bank account without any hassle. Welcome to our channel, where you'll learn the simple steps to regain access to your BMO Harris Bank account without any hassle. Having trouble accessing your BMO Harris Bank account can be frustrating, but restoring it is easier than you think and can be completed in just a few steps. First, start by visiting the official BMO Harris Bank website on a secure device. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the process. Once on the home page, locate and click the Sign In button at the top right corner. On the login page, if you cannot remember your username or password, select the Forgot Username or Password link. This will direct you to a recovery page where you'll need to enter some identifying information, such as your email address, phone number, or account number to verify your identity. You might be asked to answer security questions or input a verification code sent via SMS or email to confirm that you are the rightful account holder. If you don't receive the verification code or face any errors, double-check that your contact information is up to date with the bank. If not, or if the automated recovery doesn't work, the next step is to contact BMO Harris Bank customer service directly. Their support team can guide you through additional identification processes and help unlock your account. You can reach them by phone or visit a nearby branch where representatives can assist you face-to-face. Once your identity is confirmed and your account access restored, consider updating your login credentials to something strong and easy to remember. It's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication if available, adding an extra layer of security to your banking experience. Finally, always ensure you access your account through official channels and keep your login information private to prevent future issues. Following this step-by-step method will help you regain control of your BMO Harris Bank account smoothly and securely. Don't let access issues hold you back from managing your finances effectively. Remember, patience and careful verification are key to resolving these problems quickly. If you found these instructions helpful, stay tuned for more practical banking tips and tricks. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful content.